Setting realistic goals and how to achieve them through adaptability. Setting realistic goals is crucial for our personal and professional growth. When we set challenging yet attainable goals, we are more likely to stay motivated and focused on our objectives.
Breaking down these goals into smaller, manageable tasks allows us to
make incremental progress, which can be celebrated as we reach each milestone.
However, achieving these goals is not without its challenges.
Adaptability is essential in the face of unexpected changes or obstacles. By developing the ability to adapt and adjust our plans, we can overcome these challenges and continue moving forward. So, how can we practice adaptability?
First, be open to new ideas and perspectives. Always consider different approaches to solving problems and be willing to take risks.
Second, learn from your mistakes and failures. Reflect on your experiences and use them as an opportunity for growth and improvement. And finally, maintain a positive mindset. Stay focused on your goals and believe in your ability to achieve them, even in the face of adversity.
In conclusion, setting realistic goals and practicing adaptability are key to achieving success in our personal and professional lives.
By setting challenging yet attainable goals and embracing the adaptability needed to overcome obstacles, we can overcome any challenge and reach our full potential.
Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and every step taken in the right direction brings us closer to our goals.